Okay, Pastor Daron. What are we going to be twisting next?
Well, next I thought we'd make a fish.
A fish. Oh, I like to go fishing.
Not going fishing.
Gonna make the fish.
That's right.
Right.
And inflate the balloon.
Inflate the balloon.
So I'm going right up almost to the end.
Okay.
Leaving just a small section at the end, about 1 centimetre.
Right.
There it is, uninflated.
Yep.
Now I'm going to soften the balloon.
Mm-hmm.
Tie it off.
Yep. It's going to be a blue fish.
A blue fish, that's right. Now I'm going to fold the balloon about halfway.
Right.
Find the midpoint.
Yep.
Then twist.
And then twist it there.
So you have 2 sections to the balloon.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to do 2 pinch twists. Remember the pinch twist?
Yeah.
2 pinch twists to make the fish lips.
The fish lips.
Soften the balloon.
Yeah.
And pinch it.
Mm-hmm.
And the same for the other side.
Right.
Soften the balloon. Pinch it.
Yeah.
So there you have some lovely kissing fish
Yes.
lips.
Yeah, they're pretty good, Pastor Daron.
You like them?
Yeah.
Now
Hot lips.
going to the end, which is the opposite end to the knotted end,
Right.
the uninflated section,
Yeah.
I'm now going to make a bubble about 10 centimetres along
Right.
and 2 small bubbles for the eyes.
Yep.
And lock those 2 together.
And now we've got some eyes.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Now to complete the fish, I simply
Yeah.
overlap the end
Overlap the end.
to make the tail. 2 ends about the same on each.
Right.
And then squeeze and lock, like a lock twist.
And squeeze and lock a lock. Oh, boy, that's hard to say. Those eyes are looking at me.
There it is.
Yeah.
Take out my texter
Right.
and draw some eyes onto the fish.
Right. Mm.
And there you have a lovely blue fish.
Blue fish. Smells a bit fishy.
You want to take him?
Yeah, I reckon he's a pretty good looking fish. I could tell some fish stories with this.
You could.
Yeah. You should have seen the one that got away.
Where's that one?
I think you broke it.
Okay.
Yeah.